find that tangerine.
What are you looking for? That's tangerine.
Tangerine.
Guys, I don't think we've ever done a video in this store before. Where are we, babes?
Safeway.
Safeway. We can get a few Jamaican stuff in this store.
Yeah.
This is what, tangerine?
Tangerine.
What's the difference between mandarin and tangerine? Female and male? I want a man, I want a son. Look for one with son there. Yeah. So we only have Malia with us right now, guys, because we had to pick up Malika earlier from day home. She wasn't feeling well still. She puked, so Auntie Jean said, yo, come get to the picnic. I'm sorry. She said, can you please come and pick up Malika? So we're like, okay, we will, since you asked nicely. What did we came in here to buy? Pampers and browning. Let us not forget what we came for.
And feeding.
Oh, did feeding as well?
Yep.
Where's the international aisle? Yeah, let's go and show you guys. I think it's in this aisle right here. Show you guys what's cooking. Yeah, right off the cart, man. All right, here we go. We got a few Vienna sausages. Browning. Well, I know, man. I show the Vienna sausage. Bear in mind, guys, that this tastes different than the one in Jamaica. You have good old corned beef. You have a good old dirty girl. Dirty girl, the stylish. Is it dirty girl or dirty girl? Why dirty girl sounds so weird?
It's dirty girl.
Yeah, I take up some dirty girl gifts. Take up 3 of them. I thought you would be disappointed that I was taking up dirty girl. No? One sausage? Take up 3 sausage or not? $1 for one?
Yeah, I can. You can.
Take up one of this. And one of this. What about the dirty girl auntie?
Yeah.
You think? Yeah. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Oh, did I pick up the browning? I did not. That's what we came in here for.
Here we go.
$3.29 for good old grist browning. That's what I'm talking about. And they're hinting at your portion of Jamaica aisle in the store. Well, that's it. You have tough crackers up top. Little jerk seasoning in the middle. Some tinners. You want plantain chips? No. Yeah, we got snacks at home.
You have jackfruit in that too?
I'm saying, you know what I'm looking for? Broad bean. Where would I find broad bean? I think I'd find it the same spot where the baked bean is. Yeah, let's do it. Oh, those are fruits in a can. Okay. I like Safeway. It's just expensive. What are we looking for? Baked bean, broad bean? Yeah. Yes, Mama. You have baked beans. We have quite a few of those, but I need the broad bean. Oh. I think one of these maybe.
The white one right there.
These are not the broad bean ones, but I guess it can work. Hey, save some of the loving for me. Malia, save some of the loving for Daddy. Daddy's easily jealous, you know this. Wow. Let's go and find, there's a diaper and feeding. Good you.
Excuse me. I'm sorry. We are right here.
The regular one, I guess.
The wipes is not yours.
The wipes, the wipes is not yours, Malia. The wipes belong to the store. Are you going to be upgrading her to 3T now? 66 3T pull-ups, $30. It's not that bad. I thought it was being like a lot more expensive in here. So we only buy diaper from Malia in the store because we get the subsidy from Malika, who of course still wear pull-ups, so we only have to worry about one child. Huh? Yeah, the prices are not that bad.
No, it's not.
$27. It's not that bad.
Let's go.
Oh, you know who forgot? Drinks. Those are vitamins. Looking for cough syrup. You never answered me last night too. Thumbs up?
Last time was tough.
Longer than a thumbs down. Probably let's ask the pharmacist.
No, we don't need anymore. We don't need that. No, we don't.
Let's go.
Come on, Oliver.
Yeah, some of the prices are not that bad actually. These are snacks. You have a vanilla abstract all the way through.
You guys have bags?
No, maybe not. Yes guys, so we're back in our car. We've been doing a lot of videos from this position of late, but that's how it is. Sometimes you get a lot of car videos, sometimes you get a lot of house videos, you know how it is. But just in case you guys haven't heard already, or in case you guys don't know, we're doing a birthday charity wish list, where all the funds that is raised will be going to a parent who has a child with special needs who wants to migrate to Canada. Now, 100% of the funds that were raised in the GoFundMe will be going to this person. Now, we were thinking, should we be doing a competition for persons to win, give everybody a fair chance? But in truth and in fact, we thought not to do that because we don't want to put persons in that position in terms of when you have a child with special needs, it's a very touchy subject.
Yeah.
Stigmatism, persons don't want to feel like putting their business out there because it's a very sensitive topic. So we don't want to put anybody through that, but instead we have a number of persons who we know have been subscribers for a while, who has child with special needs and who's on the immigration journey. So what we're gonna do, you guys don't know who you are yet, but we have, I think, 3 or 4 persons who in mind who we know. So we're gonna put those 4 names in a raffle situation and pick one. Now in another video we'll reveal the names of the persons who we have in mind, and then our aliases, so that if they don't want their actual name to go out there, we'll just identify the person. What's up, Alia?
When we get home, Mom. Yes, baby. Yes.
Can I continue now, Alia?
I'm only smiling.
Okay, so in another video we'll identify the persons, and then on Nat's birthday, which is the 28th of August, we will be doing probably a live where we'll pick the name. We'll pick the name from a hat, and the lucky person will get all the funds that's in the GoFundMe. Now guys, we are asking for persons to contribute to this GoFundMe.
Even if it's $5, even if it's $1.
Even if it's 50 cents, it doesn't matter. It makes a difference in somebody's life. Now if you're in a position to, if you're in Canada already, if you're in another country and you're quite settled, you are in a better position to give than somebody who's on the journey themselves. So I'm asking you guys just to, bless somebody for Nat's birthday. Now,
and if you can't give, you can share it.
That is true.
Yes.
If you for whatever reason don't have it to give, that's okay as well. There's no pressure. But you can share the GoFundMe link to, just share it on social media and whatever platform that you feel more comfortable with, just so for that other persons can see the initiative and probably give. Would really love to bless somebody with at least 1,000 Canadian dollars, which if it's a Jamaican, it would be 100,000 Jamaican dollars. Depending on the currency that you're in, it probably be able to make a difference. That's our goal. Like, I am going to be contributing to it as well myself. Our goal is to at least bless somebody with that being a minimum. So let's see how strong this community really is. Let's see how helpful and supportive we are, right? Let's see if we can help transform and change somebody's life. That is our goal. That is our mission for this birthday gift. For Nat's birthday gift. We want the gift of blessing somebody and changing somebody's life. But we can't do it without you guys. So just check out the link in the description right down below. It's right underneath here. It's the first link up top. It's called Nat's Birthday Charity Wishlist. Just whatever you can afford to give, just run up the GoFundMe numbers. Just run it up. Our goal is to bless somebody. No, we're not just doing this for a Jamaican. If it's a Jamaican who win, great. But we have persons from Trinidad. We have persons from other countries who we know have a child with special needs and who's on this journey as well. And we are gonna be identifying them, and then they can tell us if they want it or not, if they want to be a part of it or not. And then we just raffle it so that everybody have a fair chance, right? Now we don't want to do it as a competition because, as we said, we don't want to put anybody through that exposure of putting their child out there in the public space like that. Not everybody feel comfortable with that. So we are trying to be sensitive where that is concerned. But nonetheless, you guys will see who wins the money, and hopefully if they're open, they'll do a video and then share as well. So that's our intention, right? So please guys, again, one last begging appeal. Check out the link in the description. It's Nat's Birthday Wishlist Charity, so we can bless somebody for Nat's birthday. Apart from sliced bread, underground parking is the best thing that was ever created. Telling you guys, this thing is a lifesaver. Some apartments you get this inclusive of your rent, but some apartments you have to pay extra. Like in our case, you have to pay $60 extra, but that's nothing compared to what it saves you in winter time, especially. Lifesaver, guys. Lifesaver. What is it? Why are you crying? Say hi. Say hi. All these people knew you before you were born, you know. They knew you before you were born. Say hi. Good job, Malia. Let's go to the elevator. Malia, open. Open. Go and press the button. Whoa, you're getting so tall. Good job. Good job. That's amazing, Malia. That's amazing. That's so impressive. Come. It's open. Press number 1. Press number 1. No, number 1. You know how to do it. Press number 1. Good job. So guys, we got a beautiful park back of our apartment. Come, ready to go? Yes guys, so I'm home. You can see with Malia. I'm gonna end this video right here. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already. Real helps us out. Smash a like on the video and drop a comment. And of course guys, check out all the links in the video description and support the GoFundMe. Alright guys, see you guys in the next video. You can't beat me. You can't beat me. You can't beat me. You can't beat me.